Which of the following not true about the public choice theory? It came existence of 1950. So public choice theory 1960 में आई थी and became a prominent in 70. Public choice is favored by the democratic administration and critics of bureaucracy. In leadership grid model of Robert Black and Martin, the leadership style has focused solely on production with a disregard for needs of worker is called that is produce and perish. So there is a concern for people, more concern for productivity or number on the production with a disregard for the needs of the worker. Which of the following is not an advantage of the centralization? Delay in the work is not advantage. So the delay in the work is the advantage of centralization. That is not true. And it is easier to centralize organization to develop the uniform policy and practice. Duplication in an administration organization can be avoided in the centralization organization. Alexander Lincoln gave the concept of that was moral. So जो अलेक्जेंडर थे इन्होंने मोरल का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था and pull together the persistently and pursuit of the common purpose. The administration principle promotion of spirit of unity that was esprit de corps, and it means the development cooperation team spirit belongingness and principle of the esprit de corps can help to the more effective way for the achieving this. Which is the following pair is not Gadgil committee, that was not part of that. So which is the following committee is not what is it's wanted to ask about. Which is the following not correct. So question number 6. Okay. So Gadgil committee that is not related to Panchayati Raj. Vora committee for the criminalization of the policy. Soli Sarabji police reform and Dinesh Goswami for the electoral reform. Okay, so Gadgil is not for the Panchayati Raj. Which one of the following subject was not transferred from state list to concurrent list by 42 amendment? That was police. So education, forest, protection of wild animal, weight and measure and administration of justice. ये सब कुछ है, but still police is not included. Joint sitting of parliament was covered to pass which one of the following legislation act? That was Prevention of Terrorism Act of 2002. So joint sitting of parliament, joint sitting means both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. 108 article and 3 bills have been passed: Dowry Prohibition Act, Banking Service Commission Bill and Prevention of Terrorism. Who advocated the constitution morality as the basis for government? That was the Ambedkar. Constant morality means adhere to the core principle and the value of the Constitute of Ambedkar is an important advice for the principle of constant morality. Nipun Bharat is a Ministry of Education. Okay, Nipun Bharat क्या होता है? So Nipun Bharat is a functioning under the Ministry of Education national initiative for the proficiency in the reading with understanding and the numeracy. Nipun aims that every child necessarily attain to fundamental literacy, and Department of School Education, Ministry of Education will be the implementing for the national level. Now, in which of the following parliament can make law on the subject of the state list? That was national interest. So, parliament can make law on the items of the state list, and Rajya Sabha passes resolution 2/3 majority present voting that is necessary for the parliament to make the law on any item enumerated for the state list. Comptroller Auditor General, it is which is the following report? That was President of India को देता है ये. So CAG under the article 151, so it will submit the report to President, and the report of the Comptroller Auditor General India relating to the account of the Union shall be submitted to the President, who shall cause them to laid before the each house of Parliament. The report of the Comptroller Auditor General India related to the accounts of the state shall be submitted to the Governor, who shall cause them to laid before the legislation of the state. So CAG report में auditing होती है appropriation, finance and the public undertaking तीनों की. Which one of the following is the reason? D. Mission Karam Yogi, that was assignment of the right person for the right role of the right work. So that was the Mission Karmyogi was the assignment of right person, national program of civil service capacity building, policy framework, institution framework, digital learning, complementary framework, monitoring, and the electronic human resource management. Amrut is for the water security. Atal Mission rejuvenation of the urban transform. Amrut scheme was launched in the aim to the make city water secure and the provide the water as a sewage connection, and that was the Sarvekshan to ascertain the equitable distribution of water, reuse the waste water, mapping of the water body technology, submission for water to leverage latest global technology, information, education, and the communication also. According to 243 of the Indian Constitution, what type of institution considers as a transactional area? That was Nagar Panchayat. So according to 243 of Indian Constitution of transitional area of the Nagar Panchayat, so Nagar Panchayat was whether name called for the transmission area, that is say an area of transmitting from the rural to urban area, and the municipal council for the smaller urban area, municipal council for the larger area. A transitional area is a smaller and a larger for this whatever. What is the correct about the functions and the Gram Sabha? That was it is decided the legislation of the state. तो ग्राम सभा के फंक्शन कौन डिसाइड करता है? स्टेट डिसाइड करता है. सो दैट वाज द 243 ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील विद द पावर एंड द फंक्शन ऑफ द ग्राम सभा में एक्सरसाइज एंड फंक्शन ऑफ द विलेज लेवल. Panchayat is a 5-year start from that was the date of the first meeting. So Panchayat term was the 243E. Constitution is the first meeting duration of the Panchayat, and every Panchayat unless sooner dissolved a time before the shall be continue for the date of appointed by its first meeting. Part 11 first 9 होता है ना, Part 9 होता है, then Part 10. 9 is for the Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Part 9 of the Constitution was a part deal with the system of the rural area. It is the mentioned here state Nagaland, Meghalaya and the Mizoram. Hill area of the state of Manipur is also exist. No war clause has been provided. That was the Japan. No war clause was the provided for the renunciation and based on the Japan. So settling the international dispute in order to accomplishing the aim of the proceeding, and now the that was the right of the state will not be recognized. Who said the development is a state of mind, a tendency of the direction? That was by the Widner. So the given statement development is a state of mind, a tendency of the direction is said by the Edward Widner, and that was development admission define the development goal oriented, change oriented according to the Widner, concerned with the maximizing the development. Which one of the following final court of the appeal UK for the civil cases of criminal cases? That was Supreme Court of the UK. So the Supreme Court of UK is the final appeal in the United Kingdom for the all civil and the criminal cases, as the United Kingdom is the highest appellate court for these matter, and here's the cases of the greatest public constitutional importance. Which is the following not correctly matched? Ecology was Montgomery. That is not true. So ecology is a term by the Riggs, and he has to explore the dynamic interaction between the public and the external environment, how external environment is shaped. All these options are correct. Widner is a talk about the concept of development administration. Simon for the public administration, a comparative perspective is book by the Farrell Hardy. So Hardy की थी comparative perspective. 22 amendment, and this was for the limiting the number of the times person can be elected as a president. So according to 22 amendment of the US Constitution, no person shall be elected of the office of president more than twice of a no person who has held office of president has acted as a president for more than 2 years, to which a person was elected. President shall be elected to the office of the president not more than once. Which is the following not an advantage of sunset legislation? Quantification of benefits in the health and human life, sunset budgeting possible. So the sunset clause measure within the law regulation of the statute of describing have effect. Such clause could also be encouraged the lawmaker to push for and implement the new laws, and that was ensured that the spending should be stopped by the specified. So sunset budgeting is not possible. It is also known by the name of zero based budgeting. So sunset को ही हम zero based budgeting. Which is article Constitution India follow the union and state to make any grant for the public purpose? that was 282. So that was grant for public purpose notwithstanding, but it was the legislation of the state for make the law. Which is the following not a characteristics of the public corporation form? That was a centralization of the authorities, not the public corporation of the form. So a public corporation of the form is the public enterprises that is created by the autonomous unit. Special statute is the public for created by the special act, and service motive, it is main objective was their service, and so it is expected to the self-supporting. Expert management, it was these enterprises done for the businesses, and internal autonomy, government day-to-day management of these corporation decision can be taken promptly. It is under insulated personality. Responsibility to the parliament, they have to maintain efficacy and flexibility. Now, which is the following is not expenditure charge consolidated fund of India? Salary allowances of the attorney general, तो अटॉर्नी जनरल के चार्ज नहीं होते हैं. सो दैट वाज आर्टिकल 112 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज द फॉलोइंग एक्सपेंडिचर शैल बी चार्ज्ड. द एमोल्यूमेंट्स ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट सैलरी एंड एमोल्यूमेंट्स ऑफ द स्पीकर एंड डिप्टी स्पीकर, debt charges of the government of India and the sinking charges, and the salary allowances payable by the judges and the pension by the judges of federal court, pension payable by the respective judges of the high courts, and salary allowances of the comptroller, auditor general, and the declared constant parliament law to the charged. Which is the following is not a progressive tax? So inelastic is not a progressive tax. So principle of equality, equal distribution of income, and elastic, and inelastic is not the progressive tax. Okay. Now, which is the following is the recommendation of Finance Commission is not implemented in order to the president? That was mode of central assistance. Appropriation होता है, appointments of the union tax, duty and granted, but mode of central assistant, that was not part of the Finance Commission recommendation. Okay, so distribution of the taxes, duties and grants. Was the following governor of the Reserve Bank of India is nationalized in the January? So that was the C.D. Deshmukh was the first. C.D. Deshmukh in 1949 chairman of now that was also the first Indian governor. In the context of public policy, people a particular belief system and who is not a non-thriving degree of the coordination, that was the advocacy coalition. In the context of the public policy, people who share the particular belief system, who show the non-trivial degree coordination activity, time to non the advocacy. Which is the following not the characteristics of non-programmed decision? Excessive information is available with regard to the problem, that was not. So the not the characteristics but the non-programmed, because of non-programmed decision are type of the decision non-planned, and they are also known for the non-routine, and problem are new and arise suddenly to there is the information available with regard to this problem. Regular search for the cause and the consequences, that was known the Stuart Nagel. Okay, so the given statement a rigorous search for the cause and the consequences, and he was the American Academy and also professor for the political science. Which is the following not the key element of the corporate social responsibility? Political responsibility is not. Environment, financial, ethical, and the philanthropic. So these all are the responsibilities. Which is the following not a objective of the social legislation? Equitable distribution of wealth of other resources and other resources, that is not. Now the social security, eradication of evil, and the safeguarding the rights, all are true. So promoting the equality, protecting rights for the vulnerable, eradicating social evil, providing the security, improving the economical conditions, and initiating the social reform. The concept of the government is narrow senses, that was the network management, that is the narrow sense. Capacity building, use of technology and the policy is right, but network management is wrong. In narrow sense, the government basically network management but include the variety of activities. World Bank defined the government the way in which the country power exercise manage the economical and social development. The United Nations Development Programme, government is the process institution for the decision. Originally, the Citizen Charter movement has a 6 principle and which is not included, that was the bargain is not. Citizen Charter is the commitment document which is the represent the systematic effort to the focus on the commitment is specific organization toward the citizen, quality, choice, standard, value, accountability, and the transparency. Now Thomas H. Davenport provided the concept of which is the following, that was the business process engineering, and that was the government agency, and 2 quality, efficiency, and the consumer satisfaction. generally include the amalgamation of the business. Government process re-engineering, it was the minimizing the complexity. गवर्नमेंट प्रोसेस री इंजीनियरिंग में क्या होता है कि कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी को रिड्यूस करना है. सो दैट वाज रिक्वायर्ड टू स्किल नॉलेज, इनहेंस द ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी, improving the citizen focus, minimizing the complexity, increasing transparency, reducing the burden and the adoption of the best practice. Who among the following thinkers linked to the civil society democracy? That was the Tocqueville. So the Tocqueville linked the civil society democracy, and that was civil society provide the citizen basis for the government. Civil society is a democracy and the given the knowledge. Purpose of the supervision, that was 2 and 3. Achieve the coordination, ensure each for the organization perform the exactly same task as under the plan, but reduce the accountability, not supervision. Ensure the organization reaches to the set of the itself, that is not. Achieve the coordination, ensure that each organization has the same task. Professional development, minimize quality for conduct, setting the standard. Which is the following influence the public management? Chicago and the public choice theory, both are related to public management. The main objective was given the contracting flexibility, and that was debureaucratization. Chicago school and also for the may have the contributed for the development. Grapevine, it was 1, 2 and 4. To learn the something informally, that means the gossip, that is not you. Informed channel and informant channel and the stage throughout the organization direction irrespective of the authority. Secret channel for the communication is also. So 1, 2 and 4 is known as the grapevine. Now next one is a who is the following is the protagonist Minobook third, that was Rosemary O'Leary, yes, and David Slike is also, but Waldo and Fredrickson was in the Minobook first. So the Slike are the protagonist for the third movement. And the third Minobook conference held 2008. It was coordinated by the Rosemary O'Leary. Its purpose exchange the knowledge about the different public service challenges, their solutions, and network scholar for the collaboration. And George Fredrickson organized the Minobook second, having focus on the activism, social equity, and Minobook first was by the Dwight Waldo. Which is the following theme of the Minobook first continued. So that was the concern for the social equality and the concern for the democratic value. Professionalism and marketalization, that was by the Minobook second. It was the new public management also. So that was equity, human relation, recognition, public administration with the democracy, ethics, leadership and accountability. That was in the one. Okay. So Fredrickson was organizing the two, Minobook second. Okay, so both are different. Which is the following is the constraint to the organization development. में कौन से constraint आते हैं? Issue relating to the power and authority and the issue relating to the growth of the decay of the organization. Separation of management and ownership नहीं आएगा, collaborative leadership भी नहीं आएगा. So that was the issue relating to the power authority and issue relating to the growth and decay of the organization. So budget हो गया, poor communication, poor organization culture, poor delegation and other issues also. Which is the following true नॉन प्रोग्राम डिसीजन. तो नॉन प्रोग्राम डिसीजन जो होते हैं रिपीटेटिव होते हैं क्या? दैट इज़ नॉट. नॉवल होते हैं, येस, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड होते हैं और नॉट ऑप्टिमाइजिंग अल्टरनेटिव, बट रिपीटेटिव नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, प्रोग्राम जो होते हैं दैट इज़ रिपीटेटिव डिसीजन. सो दिस इज़ ऑल. Which is the following mechanism developed by the F.W. Taylor to operate his principle of scientific management. So that was the time study, standardization of the work and the modern costing method. But uniformity in the rate system, that is not true. So that was Frederick Winslow Taylor is regarded the pioneer for the scientific management approach, which have the way for the modern technique of the Taylor developed the several mechanism, functional foremanship, standardization, differential piece rate system, time study, mental revolution, science not rule of thumb, and the harmony not discord, and introduction of the costing system. Now which is the following are the critic of Elton Mayo. So that was the Richard Bendix, Bell and the Fisher, but Ruth Lisberg is not the critics of the Mayo. So that was Mayo contributed with the management theory of the socialized Daniel Bale and Christopher Mayo adjusting the main. Alex was the criticizing Hawthorne study, and the Bendix was given the Fisher for the Mayo generating the Hawthorne study. Now which is the following is a bicameral legislation. Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, but Gujarat is not in that. व्हाट इज़ द बेस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? पंचायत का क्या बेस होता है? दैट इज़ द पॉपुलेशन होगा, साइज नहीं होता, इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ द रेवेन्यू भी नहीं होगा. So the population, that was constitution of panchayat 243. B, there shall be constitution to every state panchayat at the village, immediate and the district level, notwithstanding anytime closed panchayat at the intermediate level may not be considered the state for the population of 20 lakh. The evolution of the comparative public administration, that was known as the post first world war, that is not true. Graduate course of the university ASPA and the Ford Foundation, but post First World War was not in that. So the fact of the contributing to comparative public administration revisited the movement of the comparative dissatisfaction of the traditional public. Ford Foundation, comparative public group committee, and emerged the newly independent third country. Dwight Boldo started the study of the universal and rise of the behavioral approach and develop the practical knowledge. Choose the following NGO and the CSO. They provide elite voice who have the representative, that is not true. They have the image, the aiming inclusive development, represent the fundamental part of the democracy, and they mobilize the citizen. But elite voice is not in the NGO. Now next is the budget execution system should meet the main objective of the public expenditure management system. That was सर्विस डिलीवरी नहीं आएगा, एग्रीगेट एक्सपेंडिचर कंट्रोल, स्ट्रेटेजिक रिसोर्स एलोकेशन एंड ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी. Service delivery was not in that. The public enterprises under the department undertaking firm organization can be organized into, so that will be organized the control by the interministerial board नहीं आएगा. Ministry, department, ministry and the interdepartmental, but interministry is not in that. In general, the most notable tool for the technique for decision making, it was cost benefit, qualitative knowledge management information system. Short term planning will not be part of the decision making. Now next one is according to the Lasswell, which is the following act as base for the functional analysis of policy making. So that was intelligence, invocation, termination, appraisal and the promotion all. Now which is the following is the muddling through? Science for the muddling through, and that was policy is met once and for all, that is not true. The proceed through the succession of incremental change involve the mutual adjustment and incremental approach, which error trial and error method. Policy in met once for all, that is not the muddling through. So statement 1 to 3 are correct for child. Glencom presented the incremental model, and the science of muddling through got for the recognition process making. It proceeds through the succession of incremental chain adjustment, negotiation and approach would involve the error of the method. Which is the following is the distributive policy. So the policy concerned with the distribution of new resources, adult education program, food relief, social insurance. These policy also concerned with the changing the distribution of existing resources, that is not true. So that statement 1 and 2 distributive policy, the policy mean to a specific segment of the society. Example include the public assistance, welfare program, adult education, food relief, public distribution system. Redistribution policy are concerned for the rearrangement of the policy concern bringing the basics whole. Which is the following function of the policy maker in the making of the rational policy? That was the policy maker never compared the alternative with the benefit, that is not true. So that was the making of the policy is a very complex. Policy maker need to analyze the particular problems. Policy maker has to identify the underlying problem, identify the policy alternatives, policy maker to prepare the complete alternatives and do the cost benefit analysis. Which is the following feature of the social justice? That was equality before law, prohibition of the discrimination and the human rights. But merit based system was not part of the social justice. Okay, merit based is not. Which is the following not a specific component for the Ujjwala Yojana? So this question is in different form. Now which is the following influencing the emergence of public governance? So public governance से किसको influence हुआ है? So that was the new public management, yes. Public choice, yes. Increasing role of the institution, yes. And the failure of the formal government structure, yes. The public government model involves the many actors like the state, public, non-state, corporate, private, and the following are influencing by the public government. New public management perspective include the series of management concept techniques and view of the make the organization efficient. Public choice, that was force, which mean to remodeling the government according to the concept of the competition and efficiency of the institution process, such as the market and the decentralized service delivery. And institutionalized outside the government also play the great role in the public government, providing the competition and play a vital role of the market. Fail of the formal government structure, effective delivery of the public service play a greater role. The 10th report of the second ARC focused on the responsiveness, commitment and awareness, but accountability was not related to the 10th report. Okay, now the limitation of the probability sample is, so probability sample, it does not give the guarantee of the representation of the sample from a population. Yes, the data fulfill that standard of the normal. No, and it has no risk generation. No, and it supports the sensitivity analysis. No. So only one is correct. The execution of the action, that was at white. Although the introduction and study of the public administration, that was a white. LD white. Public and time and turbulence, that was the time and turbulence की बात की थी मार्क्स. एंड एलिमेंट ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आई थिंक मार्क्स का तो एलिमेंट ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था. एंड ये देख लेना, इंट्रोडक्शन टू द स्टडी ऑफ पब्लिक LD वाइट का टाइम एंड टर्बुलेंस राइट वाल्डो का है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, so time and turbulence, that was given by the Dwight Waldo, and the book of element of the public, that was Marx, and the executive of the action, that was by the Demock. The design for the policy science, so design for the policy science was given by the Yechkel Road. Management challenges of the 21 era, that was given by the Drucker. Motivation and the personality, that was given by the Maslow, and the organizational as a learning, that was given by the Chris Argyris. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज ए लर्निंग की बात क्रिस आर्गिस ने 78 में की थी. मोटिवेशन एंड पर्सनैलिटी की बात अब्राहम मास्लो ने 1954 में. मैनेजमेंट चैलेंजेस, दैट वाज गिवन बाय द पीटर ड्रकर, एंड द डिज़ाइन ऑफ पॉलिसी साइंस, दैट वाज गिवन बाय द यचकल रोड. Maturity model, that was self-confident model, and the equity model, that was given by the comparison of the reward, and the expectancy theory, that was instrumentalism. Monistic theory, that was the money as a sole motivator. Introduction to the portfolio system, that was given by the 18 portfolio system. Yeah, म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन 1687 में आया था, एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1990 में आ गया था. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट, ठीक है. पोर्टफोलियो तो 1858 में लाए थे हम, एंड पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट आया था 1784 में. ठीक है, विलियम पिट लाया था. इट वॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेप गिवन द गवर्नमेंट टू कंट्रोल रेगुलेट द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. नाउ द स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को हम क्या कहते हैं, दैट इज स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रिलेटेड टू द चीफ सेक्रेटरी. ओके, एंड रीजनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो होता है, दैट इज डिविजनल कमिश्नर होगा. रेवेन्यू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बोर्ड एंड रेवेन्यू होता है वहाँ पे, एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से रिलेटेड होता है डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर. ठीक है, 1772 में डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर वॉरेन हेस्टिंग के टाइम में आया था. रीजनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हेडेड बाय द डिविजनल कमिश्नर एंड इन्फॉर्म बाय द वैरायटी ऑफ द रोल्स. स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाज द चीफ सेक्रेटरी होता है यहाँ पे. ओके, मल्टी पर्सपेक्टिव, दैट वाज गिवन बाय द इंडिविजुअल वॉइसेस इन्फ्लुएंस द ऑडिट एंटिटी मस्ट बी हैड रिफ्लेक्टेड. पार्टिसिपेटरी का मतलब होता है, दैट वाज बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सोशल ऑडिट. मल्टी डायरेक्शनल का मतलब होता है ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट रिपोर्ट मल्टीपल एरियाज ऑफ सोशल ऑडिट. एंड वेरिफिकेशन का मतलब होता है मेक द अनबाइज्ड वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द अकाउंट. फ्रांस में क्या लाया गया था, तो फ्रांस में लाया गया था प्रीफेट. ब्रिटेन में लाया गया था सिविल कल्चर, एंड जर्मनी में लाया गया था क्लासिकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एंड जापान में लाया गया था मॉडर्नाइजिंग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. Thomas Dye, that was given the understanding the public policy, and William Dunn, that was the managing the public sector. Yechkel Road, design for the policy science, and Andrew Macy, that was given the understanding public policy. That was the Macy. Okay, so this was given here. And managing the public sector. So managing the public sector जो था, that was given by the Macy. Okay, managing the public sector, that was given by the Macy. And Yechkel Road, public design of policy science. Design of policy science for the Yechkel Road. And थॉमस डाई ने अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पॉलिसी दिया था. ओके, नाउ कोलैबोरेटिव गवर्नमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट इज़ अबाउट द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द NGO कैपेसिटी का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट इज़ द एबिलिटी टू ओवरकम द ऑर्डर टू अकम्प्लिश। अकाउंटेबिलिटी का मतलब गिविंग रिपोर्ट वन सेल्फ। एंड कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब होता है एम्फेसाइजिंग इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग शेयर वैल्यू। Cluster sampling, that was given by the divide the sampling population. And simple random sampling, that was the each element populated given the equal chance of selection. Judgmental sampling, extremely useful in the historical reality. And the snowball sampling, that is selecting the sample for the network. Okay, arrange the following about the evolution of discipline of public administration. So that was first is classical approach, then need hierarchy, देन मोटिवेशन हाइजीन अप्रोच, लास्ट में आता है इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच। ठीक है, सबसे पहले आएगा क्लासिकल अप्रोच, देन आएगा नीड हायरार्की। तो नीड हायरार्की मास्लो 1943 में लाए थे, और क्लासिकल अप्रोच तो जनरल लैंड मैनेजमेंट 1916 में फेल का था। हर्जबर्ग जो थे मोटिवेशन हाइजीन लाए थे, ठीक है, टू फैक्टर थ्योरी। एंड रिक्स का था 1962 में, दैट वाज द इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच। आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द थ्योरी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल। सो सबसे पहले आएगा स्टडी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, देन साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट, जनरल प्रिंसिपल, एंड लास्ट में आएगा ह्यूमन रिलेशन थ्योरी। लास्ट में क्या आएगा, ह्यूमन रिलेशन थ्योरी। तो सबसे पहले प्रिंसिपल ऑफ साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट 11 में, देन पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द सेपरेट डिसिप्लिन 27 में, देन विलोबी बुक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एज असर्टेड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देयर सर्टेन फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन विलोबी की थी। एंड ह्यूमन रिलेशन मूवमेंट 1930 ऑन ग्रोथ ऑफ द साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट एंड साइकोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी एंड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकली अरेंज करना है हमें। तो सबसे पहले है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, देन है सिक्योरिटी सेबी, उसके बाद में इरडा, लास्ट में फिफिरडा। ठीक है, तो इरडा 99 में आया था एंड फिफिरडा आया था 2003 में। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द लॉन्चिंग ऑफ द इंडिया। सबसे पहले जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्कीम, देन नेशनल अर्बन लाइवलीहुड मिशन, एंड उसके बाद में आया था स्वच्छ भारत मिशन, लास्ट में आया था स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन। ठीक है, सो दिस स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन 2015 में आ गया था। स्वच्छ भारत मिशन आया था, दैट वाज इन क्लीन इंडिया 2019 में। एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग लाइवलीहुड के लिए लाया था 2013 में, एंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू। ओके, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग गोल्स ऑफ द यूएन के गोल्स क्या क्या है। पहला गोल है एंड द पॉवर्टी, देन है एंश्योर द हेल्दी लाइफ, दैन इसके बाद में अचीव द जेंडर इक्वलिटी, लास्ट में एंश्योर द अबिलिटी ऑफ द सस्टेनेबल फाउंडेशन फॉर द ऑल। Arrange the following preparing the consolidation of the India beginning, that was first scrutiny of the estimate by the department officer, then scrutiny of the coordination of Ministry of Finance, then will be the scrutiny of the revised estimate by the accountant general, and लास्ट में प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द प्रिलिमिनरी एस्टिमेट, एंड लास्ट में आएगा अप्रूवल बाय द कैबिनेट। ठीक है, नाउ अरेंज द फॉलोइंग ऑफ द ट्रिब्यूनल में सबसे पहले इनकम टैक्स ट्रिब्यूनल आएगा, उसके बाद में आएगा सेंट्रल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्रिब्यूनल, फिर आएगा कॉम्पिटिटिव अपीलेट ट्रिब्यूनल, एंड लास्ट में आएगा नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल कब आता है, दैट वाज इन द लास्ट। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द सिस्टम। तो सिस्टम कैसा होता है, 2 3 1 4। गोल ओरिएंटेड होगा, 2 3 में डिसीजन मेकिंग होगी, फिर रिसोर्स मोबिलाइजेशन होगा, लास्ट में उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो जाएगा। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर अफेक्ट द रिलायबिलिटी में आता है द वर्किंग कंडीशन, द रेस्पोंडेंट मूड, नेचर ऑफ द इंटरेक्शन, एंड द रिग्रेशन ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट। सो रिलायबिलिटी में चेंज ऑफ एम्बिग्यूटी हो जाएगा। रेस्पोंडेंट मूड इज चेंज द रेस्पोंडेंट व्हेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू क्वेश्चन इज द राइटिंग द आंसर। Nature of the interaction for between and can be affect the resources and the regression effect. Arrange the following about the qualitative and quantitative method. That was developing of the code book, pre-test of the code book, coding of the data, and the verifying the coded data. So that was first. सबसे पहले आएगा डेवलपिंग द कोड बुक, उसके बाद में आएगा प्री टेस्टिंग हो जाएगी, दैन उसके बाद में कोडिंग होगा, लास्ट में आता है वेरीफाइंग द कोडेड डाटा। और उसके बाद में 86 क्वेश्चन है। 86 क्वेश्चन में है कि कोऑपरेशन इज द सिंथेसिस फॉर द डाइवर्स फैक्टर फिजिकल बायोलॉजिकल कॉन्टेक्सचुअल। लिमिटेशन टू द कोऑपरेशन इज ड्यू टू द फिजिकल बायोलॉजिकल ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल एंड द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द सिचुएशन। तो दोनों ही सही है, एक्सप्लेन भी कर रहे हैं। आइडियली डिपार्टमेंट in the secretariat should deal with the particular segment of the activity, function clarity, and the decentralization is department promote the better coordination of the program. Next one is what, that is Public policy made by the political implementing the administrative officer and the public institution perform better when they are the decentralized. तो दोनों ही सही है पर एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं. अगला है हमारे पास में civil society organization promote the participative practice. Its salient feature of the participative democracy is the process of large number of the voluntary agency. So both are true but not explaining. Dependent variable is the object whose changes caused by another variable, and change is the independent variable cause change in the dependent variable. So both are true and explaining. Now next, which is the following is not correct about the social welfare? So that protecting the social dysfunction, that is not related. Next is social welfare admin need to the optimal utilization of the resources, and limited resources are needed for the effective working of social welfare agency. So that is wrong actually. Next is which is the following about the social welfare organization? So it represents the personal interest? No. And it adopt the non-participatory community? No. It is the governing the board decision making, and it function the cooperative manner? Yes. ये दो 1 and 2 is only yes. Social welfare agency recruit the professional to achieve the qualitative quantitative growth, and professionalism help achieving the objective of social welfare. Both are true and explaining to each other. Which is help in the fulfillment of the social welfare goal, though resources, target group and community part. But social dysfunction is not in that. Next, which is following not a correct statement? In inductive reasoning move from general to specific. तो inductive तो स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल जाती है, ठीक है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग ट्रू अबाउट द इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग? तो इंडक्टिव में एक तो स्पेसिफिक टू ब्रॉडर जनरलाइजेशन हो जाएगा, ठीक है. एंड इसके बाद में होता है डिटेक्ट द पैटर्न. हेल्प इन डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टडी में इंडक्टिव नहीं देगी, एंड डेवलपमेंट स्पेसिफिक थ्योरी को डेवलप करना ये भी रॉन्ग है. तो थ्योरी भी इसमें डेवलप नहीं होती इंडक्टिव में, और ना ही ये डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टडी करता है. दैट इज़ डिडक्टिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग हेल्प टू टेस्ट द स्पेसिफिक हाइपोथेसिस. यस. हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग कैन बी डन थ्रू द सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन. नहीं, सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन से नहीं होता है हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग, ठीक है. तो दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. हम आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द रीजनिंग. सबसे पहले आता है हमारे पास में स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जर्वेशंस होते हैं, उसके बाद में हम डेवलप करते हैं कुछ जनरल थ्योरीज, देन फॉर्मुलेट करते हैं हाइपोथेसिस, लास्ट में हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं उसके पैटर्न्स एंड द रेगुलरिटीज़. ओके. नाउ गिवन बिलो आर देखो इसमें बोल रहा है बोथ डिडक्टिव इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग आर इन्वॉल्व इन द सोशल रिसर्च. यस. इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग इज ओनली, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं? इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग इज द ओनली inductive reasoning is the only ancillary to the deductive reasoning. That is wrong. That is not only ancillary to the deductive reasoning. तो ये आपका एक और पेपर कंप्लीट हो गया.